Alright, so we had undisclosed Sitco. Here's the current setup. This is just tuning boost controller, pushing us to 10 PSI. We got the ethanol flex wheel sensor right here from Ptuning. And it's all on the stock block. And we're pushing about 330 to 350 wheel. So far she's running pretty good. Knock on Alcantara or wood or whatever you want. My AC broke a little bit. That's okay. We don't need that. Recently upgraded to a Tomei Extreme TI Catback. So it's super fucking loud. There is absolutely no cats on this. It's dummy loud. But I kind of like that width. Anyways, let's go for a little ride. Next time you see this, we'll have warp speeded to set a course apiece. All right, yeah, we're officially on our way. Right now I have it on 7 PSI. We'll see if I want to push to 10 PSI. To be honest, on ethanol, man, these back roads, it's kind of hectic with this much power. I got so used to the car having like 270, but now pushing 330, 350 wheel on 10 PSI, I have to kind of control myself a little bit more for sure.
I was bad at fucking school, now I'm trying to dodge a sin. Just walk out the lab and stove, pay the shoe, 12.50.
Damn, we got some rotation.
All you gotta do is get in with me. Only pay to get in the club. Ain't no one more walking tick. Presidential leaving the club. We ain't stopping at no lights. You wanna be a boss? You gotta pay the price. Left wrist on froze. Look like a bag of ice. I'm driving a Bentley Bentayga like all of my life. I'm in that lane shifting and I'm lane switching. Bitches big, so I'ma stand on straight, baby. On niggas ass like Blake Griffin. He keep talking, bro, gon' leave his face missing.
Shit, we're cooking.
Bad bitch, 50 flow, ain't hibachi. I got 10 missed calls, all my bitches mad at me. Ballet Park Designer District, I'm going straight to gallery. Jugs feeding y'all, phone ringing y'all, niggas hanging y'all,
Dude, this car rips. It's even on 7 PSI with ethanol, it is a handful.
now I'm trying to dodge a sin. Just walk out the lab and stove, pay the shoe, 12.50. You want boss of your life? All you gotta do is get in with me. Only pay to get in the club. They know I'm a walking tick. Presidential leaving the club. Ain't stopping at no lights. You wanna be a boss? You gotta pay the price. Left wrist on froze. Look like a bag of ice. I'm driving a Bentley Bentayga like all of my life.
Dude, this car is so fun. I cannot, and it's like so easy to drive, man. Like even when the back kicks out a little bit or it starts rotating, even though my setup is probably not even like super dialed in, is it fun? Whoa. All right, what's our stats like? Hopefully good. And our engine oil temperature's kind of high right now. All right, one more run. That's the corner. Yeah. Little slippery, dude. Yeah, we got wild in that first round a little bit. TCS was coming on. Good times. So if anyone ever sees this, is gonna be like, why didn't you got TCS off, pussy? Because I don't want to die, dude. Dude, the pops. I swear I'm not a racer. The BRZ fucked, dude. Let's go. And there's a deer. Holy shit.